You are lazy, broke, and proud. You have not realized that your voice is a skill and not just a gift. I know that everybody can talk, but is it everybody that can talk to get paid? Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. Over here, we push laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you fit talk, you fit create anything. And today, I can't tell una say your voice na skill and not just a gift. No be luck say you sabi talk. Thank God say you know they dumb, you they talk. Now the thing be say, as you they talk, so waiting you don't achieve with your voice, except the amebo where you and Nkechi they gist every time talking about man that will not marry you. See, let me just tell you something you don't know. Now the voice where you train, now you go last you stay make money. Now the voice where you put body, now the voice will be say you carry pepper, you pour inside, now go later sweet as stew for you on top price. So I know they want you. See, the truth be say, a lot of you want to start this content creation, and because you are doing audio or you want to do faceless content, you are wondering, this my voice now, it's not really fine like that, it's not really sweet like that. The truth is, if you do not start, you will never get better. You have to start first. This popular saying that goes, practice makes perfect. Well, I listened to a sermon and it's made me understand that practice makes improvement. The more you practice how to use your voice, the more you get better with the voice. It is a skill. Any skill you do not use, you can never get better at it. Look at makeup artists. They do makeup continually. They keep doing on different faces and they keep getting better. And you check another makeup artist that will come to your studio and tell you, myself, I'll be makeup artist. So if you be makeup artist, why you can't hear? Please. No, I know that a lot of people like, makeup artists especially, they like other makeup artists touching their faces and all. But that's by the way. You understand what they talk. So the truth is, if you want to start, for example, you are now you are a tech bro, or you are a bricklayer, you are an engineer, a banker, and you're like, I don't think I can really do this authority content. I've taught you what authority content means. So you're like, oh, my voice is sounding childish. My voice is not really clear. My voice is croaky. You are giving yourself so much excuses. Excuse givers, they never make it. You first start now. Now, when you start, you go know whether you go there better or not. So this is me telling you that your voice is a skill. Don't just use it for amebo gossip. Use it for kissing man that's not your husband. Use this, your voice, and do something productive with your life. Stop using it to tell your guys, hey, guys, me, do you see Amaka Bomb Bomb? Thief, go and do this thing that I'm telling you now. Start practicing, use that your voice and start that content and tag me. Please, this is the year 2026. Don't let us start this year with aggression. I'm not angry with you. It's just that you are lazy, broke, and proud. That your village people have taken a part of your brain and put inside bottle and to it inside babish. Please. Your voice is a skill. Never ever forget that. If they ask you what is your skill, you can say, yes, my voice. Or more, everywhere will shake. Yes, so my country people, this now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. Over here we push laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. And today I use my phone to take a record. For all of you now, where they say, Shebi, you are doing audio content creation, you are doing faceless content, but we are seeing your face, blah 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 blah. Una just they talk, waiting, una not fit defend. Now I don't use my phone. Hope you can rest. Hope your body can calm down. Yes, this is my phone and not too much editing. I just did a little gain, blah, blah, blah. Over these 99 days, I will show you how to edit your voiceovers. Apps that you can use, though I mentioned some, but I've discovered new apps that I would love to share with you. Just stay with me. And if you have learned something in today's wave, drop a wave emoji, like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow. I'll see you in my next wave. Wave off.